Cooking and recipes, basic vocabulary. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of cooking and recipes. Learning vocabulary related to food and dining is essential for expressing your culinary preferences, understanding recipes, and enjoying conversations about cooking. So, let's get started and expand our culinary vocabulary. Cooking methods are essential to know when following recipes or discussing different culinary techniques. Here are some common cooking methods you should be familiar with. Boiling. This method involves heating water to its boiling point. It is commonly used to cook pasta, rice, or vegetables. Grilling. Grilling is the process of cooking food over an open flame or hot coals. It's great for cooking burgers, steaks, and vegetables. Baking. Baking is a method of cooking food using dry heat in an oven. It's perfect for making cakes, bread, or cookies. Frying. Frying involves cooking food in hot oil or fat. It's used for making crispy French fries, fried chicken, or stir-fried dishes. Steaming. Steaming is a healthy cooking method where food is cooked by the steam produced from boiling water. It's commonly used for vegetables, fish, or dumplings. Now that we know some cooking methods, let's explore common ingredients you'll come across in recipes. Flour. Flour is a fine powder made from grains, such as wheat or rice. It's used for making bread, cakes, and pastries. Sugar. Sugar is a sweet crystalline substance used to add sweetness to dishes. It's commonly used in desserts, beverages, and baking. Salt. Salt is a mineral that enhances the flavor of food. It's used in various recipes to bring out the taste. Oil. Oil is a fat derived from plants or animals and is used for cooking, frying, or dressing salads. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices are plant-derived ingredients used to add flavor and aroma to dishes. Examples include basil, oregano, cinnamon, and paprika. To effectively cook and follow recipes, it's important to be familiar with common kitchen utensils and appliances. Let's take a look at some essential ones. Knife. A knife is a sharp tool used for cutting and chopping ingredients. Spatula. A spatula is a flat, flexible utensil used for flipping food or scraping the sides of bowls. Whisk. A whisk is a tool used for beating ingredients together or incorporating air into a mixture. Oven. An oven is a kitchen appliance used for baking, roasting, or heating food. Mixing bowl. A mixing bowl is a deep bowl used for combining ingredients. Congratulations! You have expanded your vocabulary related to cooking and recipes. By learning these words, you will be better equipped to follow recipes, engage in cooking conversations, and explore the culinary world in English. Keep practicing these words, and don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes. Stay tuned for more exciting English language learning videos. Happy cooking! Note: remember to provide any necessary visual aids, examples, or additional explanations in your actual video.